wedding was just days away. I'm so happy. For me, I want to make your wedding a
special
celebration.
You see, you can read this one now. But when I was at your age, my father used to teach me in our mother's tongue, which I want you to learn, not only English. That time they will teach us a, aja, b, bata, d, doje, e, ejo, e, eye, d, nongudu. You understand like that? Now, say a, aja.
Aja.
Aja ko oyinbo ni. A, aja.
Aja.
Aja, eja ko a, aja.
Aja.
B, bata.
B, bata.
Bata ko b, bata. D, doje.
D, doje.
Doje do ni ko pe. D, doje.
D, doje.
E, ejo.
E, ejo.
E, eye.
E,
eye. Eye ko owo eye ni. E, eye. Now you see, when you see eye is bird that fly. Ejo. Me no good. That one that you call this. What is it?
What are you teaching this girl?
Why?
Destiny, take your book. Oh, yeah. Go to your room.
So you don't want me to teach her in our mother's tongue?
I'm not saying that. But teach her what they are teaching her in school for. Do you think they are Ada me in school?
Is it me that I do here?
I saw you when you are Ada Hirata. No. Don't turn her head. You stick to one. What they are teaching them in school.
Let me tell you. She has to know it because when I was small like her, my father teach me aja, di bata, di doje, eye, ejo, ni no gudu.
How you are doing? Aja, it's you. That is you. Destiny is different.
She must to learn my father's tongue.
I'm not saying she won't. I'm not saying she won't. So create another time for her to
that
teach
one
her.
aside, please, I want to go back to shop. Okay. Because as I was coming, I received a phone call that one of my customers is coming there for measurement. So I will see you later.
Hold on. Measurement.
That
reminds me. I can't believe you're asking me. My friend that I sent to your shop last week told me how you were molesting her.
Me? How?
Squeezing her.
Doing what?
Grabbing her buttocks. Is this not enough for you?
Wait, is it now? I was just doing my job. I'm mentioning like this kind of cloth that they are using now as HIB. You have to measure the cup. You have to look at the cup very well. You get the cup well like this and get the ikebe and know the size of the cup that you will make as HIB. Everything will be paparampa.
What is wrong with you? Are you the only fashion designer in this world? Measuring and grabbing their breast, it's not nice. If that's how they are squeezing, nobody will wear fitted. But is this not enough? What is wrong with you?
Did I do anything wrong? I was doing my job.
That is sexual harassment, you know.
You are not the one to teach me my job. I know how to do my job very well, diligently.
Oh, there's a way you go about it. Not grabbing another man's wife breasts. It's not nice.
Why her husband no come do measurement for her? Please, that's your own problem.
What?
Waiting. Why you do your hand like Adaba? You want to fly?
To help you.
You want to fly?
No, I'm trying to help you.
To help me? But put your hand down. To help me as how? What is it? You slapped me!
Yes, and I will slap you again. What?
Huh?
To touch me. Touching.
God catch you now. See my wife. She will fight you. Oh yeah.
Fight me.
Fight her. Fight her.
Fight.
Fight.
Your husband is touching me.
Fight her.
What do you think you're doing?
You slap me again.
I told you, this man. What are you trying to do? That's sexual
He's
harassment.
touching me.
touching you, so that
Anything
one.
that move, you should touch. It's not like this in UK. You need to touch.
Yeah. The team is going on. Why you slap me again?
You can't be doing this.
I said fighter.
Are you the only designer in the whole world touching another person's wife?
I'm doing my job
After
now.
all this thing, is this not enough for you?
Did I say it's not enough for me?
You, this man.
Huh?
You see me at home.
See, carry your cloth. Take your cloth. Go. I'm not sewing again. Go, carry your cloth. Kurombi. Huh? Oh, Bamini Wetiri. Yeah. Ah.